the NDA all set to take oath on this Sunday, but what's going on behind the scenes? The granular details of cabinet berths, all of that discussion now taking place at JP Nadda's residence. The inside scoop coming in from the NDA meeting at JP Nadda's residence. Sources tell us discussion on cabinet underway. RLD, NCP, Sena may get one berth each. So RLD, Sena and the NCP will get one berth each. I want to connect immediately to my colleague Poulomi Saha, who's breaking this news on India Today. Poulomi, what more can you add? One berth each for RLD, NCP and the Shinde Sena.
Well, Preeti, yes, so what we do know at the moment is that all of those who've been arriving here in one-on-one meetings, four one-on-one meetings with JP Nadda, Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh are being told about their ministerial berths, not specifically portfolios, but how many they're getting at the moment. So all of those who've been called in, we believe, are going to be accommodated into the Union Council of Ministers that will be led by Prime Minister Modi and sworn in on June 9th at 6 p.m. It is likely, we do not have an official confirmation yet from top sources, but yes, what we're hearing at the moment is that NCP faction of Ajit Pawar, Jayant Chaudhary of the RLD could be accommodated with one berth each in the Union cabinet. So far, H.D. Kumaraswamy as well has come in. Remember, H.D. Kumaraswamy faction wanted the former Chief Minister himself, in fact, who's won one of the two seats for the JDS in Karnataka, to be accommodated in the Union Council of Ministers, possibly with the Agriculture Ministry. That was their wish list, but it remains to be seen what portfolio he gets eventually. But so far, the meetings that have happened, these are all one-on-one meetings. They have not happened simultaneously. Each individual, each team goes in, and then, of course, the next team comes in. So Jayant Chaudhary is done with his meeting. H.D. Kumaraswamy, Ajit Pawar and NCP camp were here. He was here with his top leaders, Chhagan Bhujbal, Praful Patel, Sunil Tatkare, and then Nitish Kumar with Lalan Singh and Sanjay Jha. And just a short while ago, after Nitish left, Eknath Shinde has just entered JP Nadda's residence, where the top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, including Mr. Shah and Mr. Rajnath Singh, are present alongside the BJP National President. Eknath Shinde has won 7 Lok Sabha seats from the state of Maharashtra. He's seeking at least 2 berths. One could be a possible cabinet rank position and one MOS, Preeti.
Where RLD is concerned, Poulomi, and where you said Sena 1, he's expecting 2. The confirmation, at least with what you're giving us, is that 1 seat, the NCP 1. So RLD, NCP, cabinet berths, MOS, any details on that?
Well, like I said, at the moment, the portfolios are not very clear. Those portfolios will be shared with the partners later as well. It's about how many and who are being accommodated so that, they can convey it to their respective leaders, party leaders, who are to be sworn in alongside Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Poulomi, what about the other partners like Apna Dal, Anupriya Patel? What about Jitin Ram Majhi? Are they going to be accommodated at all?
We are waiting for them to come as well. We expect at least 4 more teams to arrive over here. Individual teams, I'm talking about TDP, Chandrababu Naidu will be here. Apna Dal's Anupriya Patel will be here. Jitin Ram Manji and Chirag Paswan. Preeti.
Okay, we're going to come right back there. Poulomi, hectic parleys, meetings going on at JP Nadda's residence. There's Rajnath Singh there also discussing how many in terms of the number of berths given to the allies there. And there are quite a few allies, some of them with representation of just 1 and 2, but they would be wanting at least their pound of flesh, keeping in mind that the BJP is at the 240 mark and would need every possible ally to go along with it. Meanwhile, the NDA allies meet, like we pointed out, underway at JP Nadda's residence. However, in Parliament today, it was all smiles, all hugs in public. The allies have not shied away from placing their demand clearly where Mr. Nadda is concerned. But when it came down to the Parliament, it was full support, unconditional, at least where the public was concerned, unconditional support to the leadership of Prime Minister Modi leading the NDA into government formation and taking oath this Sunday. Let's listen in to all reactions.
Sir, only all of us has to keep balancing regional aspirations and national interest must run parallelly, ensuring holistic development across all strata of society.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी संसदीय दल के नेता आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को भारत के प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए समर्थन देती है और ये बहुत ही खुशी की बात है। 10 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री हैं और फिर प्रधानमंत्री होने जा रहे हैं और इन्होंने पूरे देश की सेवा की। अब पूरा भरोसा है कि जो कुछ भी बचा है अगली बार ये सब पूरा कर देंगे और जो भी हर राज्य का है, और हम लोग पूरे तौर पर सब दिन इनके साथ रहेंगे।
कुछ चर्चाएं की हैं। आज एनडीए की दल की बैठक में सर्वसम्मति से हमने प्रधानमंत्री जी को चुना है, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं।